Your nature is not to be stressed. Your nervous system was not intended to go this fast all of the time. It's simply a clear reflection, a clear result of the way that we are living right now, and also the amount of toxic information that we are exposed to and taking in. So if you don't like how you feel, if you don't want to continue living a life that you feel this way, you feel just uneasy all of the time, you feel distressed all of the time, okay, well then just get off of that version of life. Get off the train. That will require courage. But you got it. You can do it. We can all do it. It may be challenging. There may be suffering. There may be terror. There may be loss. Welcome to life. Right? We can understand that these are gifts. These are all gifts. We're never going to get away from challenge. We're never going to avoid loss. So now what is our relationship with the simple? Because if we build a potent relationship with the simple, where we can trust the simple, where we can trust nature, where we can trust silence, where we can trust dancing and movement and breathing and expressing, well, now we are far better supported for whatever challenge inevitably will come your way. But you don't want your gods to be politicians or influencers or teachers or coaches or mentors or books, social media, phones, screens. What are you here for? When you get up in the morning, what are you here for today? Because if your intention is, okay, I've woken up and now I just need to get through the day. I need to manage the day. How can I do well today? How can I be more successful today? How can I get more today? If these are a lot of your modes of thinking and functioning, you're going to keep leaking. If you wake up in the morning and ask yourself, how can I be more generous today? How can I be more caring today with the people in my life? How can I be even kinder today and even more tolerant today than I was yesterday? Tolerance doesn't mean sacrificing yourself. Tolerance doesn't mean being weak. It doesn't mean being people-pleasing or, whatever disempowered version we have been sold. There is an empowered version of that. If you can figure out what that is, you'll be so closely aligned with your nature. You'll have so much more energy. You will feel so much more meaning in your life. Your relationships will transform. Your ability to be here calmly and joyfully will also transform. If you're consistently stressed and overwhelmed and anxious, not to downplay it in any capacity, but you're probably taking yourself and your life way too seriously. And you are probably the number one focus of your life, where everything revolves around you and what you need, what you want, the work you're doing. It's a miserable way to live. So if I just give you that, we're all intelligent enough to figure it out from that point onwards.